Lourdes baseball team needs to keep stringing wins together in a tight Wolverine-Hoosier Athletic Conference race to make the playoffs, but they only need one more win for school history. Building on local bonds, the Gray Wolves hope they've built a team capable of a postseason run. They've certainly engineered a champion chemistry. Lourdes is winning at a steadier clip than ever before.
We're trying to get better and beat those records that this program set, and I think we're on track to do it.
How much more winning can they do?
Well, I mean, that's to be determined. Like I tell the guys all the time, the team that plays the best is going to win. I mean, we all compare with each other statistically. Again, whoever plays the best is going to win.
When you put it that way, it's simple. Lourdes has played the best 22 times, tying the program record for most wins in a season with 11 games still to play. And they're winning because they have guys who know how to win.
Two guys that come to mind are on the mound with 𝗦𝗫𝗏, a freshman from Maumee. He's a true freshman coming in and handing the ball from day one, and he's been great every time out. And really the other big surprise is Joey. In the years past, he's been pretty good offensively. This year on the mound, he's been really, really good and is able to go out and eat up innings for us, and he gives us a chance to win every time he pitches.
Ohlers, a Bedford alum, has been stout on the bump and in the box with 4 wins and 27 strikeouts in 31 2/3 innings pitched and a .315 average with his bat. His improvement mirrors the whole team's.
The big difference between this year and last year is just pitching and our defense, man. It's made a huge adjustment, and we're still swinging the bat. That's never really been an issue here, but we've made some great growth there.
And they've added winners. Among the producers, transfers from Owens Community College, players on a World Series team 1 year ago.
Me plus 3 came over this past year, and then 2 from the previous year before I played with. That run together kind of kept us together and made us want to keep carry it on to another program in that way. So I mean, I know a couple of them were about to give it up after last year, but they decided that year. I think that run kind of pushed them to play again this year.
Back for more in their backyards, mostly hailing from Northern Ohio and Southern Michigan, alumni from Whitmer, BG, Anthony Wayne, Bedford, Springfield, Rossford, Cardinal Stritch, Maumee, and more, all embracing the game with infectious energy.
I think we just took that energy we had from last year and kind of just built on this year, especially for me because it's my last year, so I'm just trying to have fun with it. That's why I tell all these guys too. It's going to go by quick. You just got to have fun. I wouldn't say it's not caring, but you got to have fun with it, because if you're not having fun, then you're not going to do well.
Conference standings are tight. Top 6 make the playoffs. Just a game and a half separates second place from 7th right now. But forget the scenarios. When you play the game with people you like, it's simple, really.
We're gritty. I think we could beat anybody in our conference, and I think we got a good shot at making a little run here.
It's just whoever comes out and plays better, honestly. That's the cool thing about baseball, is you're playing against the ball. No one can really do much more than hitting the ball and throwing the ball. That's just whoever does it better.